Ensuring the best performance of your graphic starts with these 3 simple steps. Clean the application surface, align the graphic, apply the graphic. A well-applied graphic begins with a proper surface preparation. Using a towel and soapy water, remove any dirt or dust from the surface. After the surface is prepared, we will pre-position the graphic to ensure that it is applied straight. Use 2 pieces of masking tape in the top corners of the graphic to lightly pin the graphic in place and adjust the graphic until it's level. Check your measurement one last time before placing a larger piece of tape across the top of the print. Please make sure that the tape is positioned half and half on the top edge of the graphic. Curl the carrier paper back to create a loop. When pressing and pulling the squeegee, hold the squeegee at a 30 to 50 degree angle against the surface. Angle the edge of the squeegee approximately 20 degrees down while dragging it parallel to the top edge of the graphic. Each pass of your squeegee should overlay to the next to ensure that you have pressed down on the entire surface area of the graphic.